Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know from the title, today we are going to be reviewing the Morphe Filter Effect foundation. I know I'm a little late to this, but I just wanted to give you guys my little opinion and stuff on this foundation. So this is one of the newest foundation Morphe did come out with. The first one to me was a kind of a miss situation. I don't even want to say hit or miss. I honestly really did not like it. Got it, used it a little bit, did not like it, my honest opinion. But we're going to give the Morphe a second chance because, as you guys know, I am a Morphe fan, ride or die. I own almost all their palettes, all their brushes. Like, I'm a Morphe girl at this point, okay? Morphe's new Filter Effect foundation is supposed to, I guess, blur imperfections. It's supposed to basically look like a filter on you, okay? That is what it's promising. That is what it says. It says it's long lasting. It's, what does it say? It is okay, wait a minute. Skincare infused. You guys know I like a little skincare in my makeup. Make sure you know my skin is good and safe underneath. Oil free, waterproof, and it's safe for dry skin. I have a little dry areas in my little cheeks, and my little T's. I'm a little dry sometimes, so this should be great for me at this point. I got mine's in the shade Filter Deep 35. So I went in and got actually somebody to match me at the actual Morphe store. So we're gonna see. I also got the brush that came with it. This is the E63 foundation brush from Morphe. It actually came with a set of brushes that I had bought previously, but as you guys know, like, I love my I do already have a Morphe foundation brush that I do love, but everybody says this one is good for your foundation, so this is what we're gonna use today. Let's see how it goes. So I already have a little bit of primer on my face. I want to make sure your girl was primed and set and ready for this. We're just gonna see how we're doing today. So I got y'all, look, I be having a struggle trying to find a good foundation for me. So when I went in to get my foundation matched, the girl tried to match me, but you know, it's hard to get your foundation matched with the mask on. You know, you gotta go in every store with a mask on your face now. So now your girl gotta try to, already hard trying to find a match without a mask. Now I gotta find a match with the mask. It's not how it's supposed to do it though. Okay, oh wait a minute, it's actually really soft. Y'all, this goes on, this feels really soft. I'm not even gonna hold some of you guys. It's really soft, I like it. Okay, Morphe. Let me find out y'all finally did y'all things with the foundation. So, it's really soft. It doesn't have a scent. I honestly hate the foundations that have like a real chemically scent, or try to do like a nice, it's supposed to be like a light scent, and it just is not there. Yeah, I've actually heard some people say that it oxidizes like really bad or really good. It honestly just depends on some people's opinion that I know, but I did hear it oxidized like a little bit. So we're just gonna see. You know, we gotta give Morphe a chance. You know, Morphe's my baby at this point. I can't really lose them. They're like my favorite. Let's see. So it is going on really nice. I actually like this brush, surprisingly. I thought, like, I don't know what I thought. I just didn't think I was really going to enjoy the brush like that, but I'm actually not minding it. Okay, wait a minute. This is not bad. I'm just hoping it doesn't oxidize and have me out here looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost, or like I ain't never touched a drop of lotion a day in my life. I don't like it. It actually goes, I actually like it. Like, it's a little surprising. I honestly thought I was not gonna like this. Okay. Okay, Morphe, do your thing. So, I actually like it. It's new. It's different. Yeah, hold on. It actually went on really nice. It did actually help with a little, y'all. I had a little bit of some breakout over on my forehead a little bit, but it's giving me really nice coverage. It is a little, like they said, it's medium coverage. You can build it up. I want to see how it is when it oxidizes before I start trying to build anything up on it. But I'm liking this. It's actually giving me what it's supposed to give me. Okay, and I see that it actually did cover my little breakage of the outs right here. Okay, Morphe. That's how we feeling. Say less. So I'm going to do my makeup off camera right fast, just to do like the rest of my face and come back and see how I'm looking, how I'm feeling about it. I'm actually liking it. But we'll see when I get back. Hey guys, so I'm back all dolled up, all cuteness and all that. So what I'm seeing on this foundation is, first of all, I love it. Girl, y'all been looking at myself. Let's try this again. Y'all, I've been looking at myself in the mirror for really long amount of time, okay? I really like this foundation. First of all, let's talk about how I have a little bit of breakthrough, a little bit of pimples and whatnot coming through right here on the top of my forehead, and it's gone. Let's talk about that. It's gone. It has disappeared. Pimple wear. Acne wear. Okay? Morphe did their thing with this one, okay? I really like it. Y'all, I'm feeling myself. Can't even hold you. Feeling myself a lot. So all I did, y'all, I dolled up, okay? I used my Milani concealer to like highlight my areas. Use my Too Faced powder just to like doll it up all over the place. Excuse me. To my Too Faced powder, just to like set my face, make my face, whatever. Came through with the Morphe eyeshadow. Okay, cute little blueness, all types of cute. A little bit of highlight, also from Morphe, y'all. I was hitting it with Morphe today. Morphe was it today. But overall, I think this is really nice. I think it's really cute. It's giving me really nice filter, very much filter. Okay, let's get that out the way. Very much filter. I do like it. I'm seeing a little bit of creasing right at the top of my forehead, but that just might be because I use my facial expressions a lot, and I probably didn't set a lot of powder there. Other than that, y'all, I'm not seeing nothing wrong with this. The brush did its thing. The brush did do its thing, evening it out, blending it into my, like, it did its thing. I really like that brush. It might actually be my new favorite foundation brush. I still might use my other one that I got from Morphe, if I can remember the name. No, I don't think this one, I don't know the number like this for this one, but this is, I like this one. This might be one of my new favorites now. But other than that, your girl's a fan. Check me out, being a fan now. Okay. Yeah, Morphe foundation might be my new thing. I was previously using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD. But I'm really liking this because the Ultra HD is full coverage, don't get me wrong, and I really do like it. But you know, there be some days where I don't be wanting to be full coverage and I just want to like a little light foundation look, and this might be it. And it bends it, you can build it up to get more of a full coverage, so I'm liking it. Okay, Morphe, do your thing. Okay guys, that's it for my video. If you want to see more of me, more of my cuteness, and be part of the beauty fam, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family, of course, duh. But don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Of course, all the products that I used today to get this cute little look, I will link down below in the description bar, along with my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, of course. Instagram is, of course, jayla.andrea. TikTok is jayla.ag, Andrea Goodwin. And Twitter is Jayla Goodwin. So if you want to follow me on any of my other social medias, y'all, will be linked in the description bar below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully, love you, stay beautiful. See y'all guys in my next video.